guys? We left off. Yes, you can. We left off, and we counted how many kids were surveyed, and we found different ways we can do that, and we got 21. Now, what we have to do as a class is we are going to have to use the bar graph below to complete the sentences. So let's have Ellie A. Would you read number 1 really loud?
The flavor with the least votes is.
Okay, so the flavor with the least votes. So look at your chart. Everyone, look at your chart. Which one had the least? Libby, which one had the least? It is vanilla. Good job. Vanilla only had 3 votes. So on the line where you see the word least, number 1, we're going to write vanilla. Wyatt, read number 2 really loud, please.
Chocolate received 2 more votes than.
Oh, this one's a tricky one. So chocolate received 2 more votes than which flavor? What do you think, Wyatt? Mint. Because chocolate has 7 and mint has 5. And so mint would need 2 more to get to chocolate.
No, strawberry.
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 Oh, what are we talking about?
I'm like, what the heck?
Oh, Raylan. Raylan, say that a different way. I don't like that word. Okay? So what were you saying? Okay. So, Wyatt, I think you looked at that wrong. And I looked at it wrong because mine kind of got cut off. Mint has 6. And 6 would need 1 more to get to 7. But I need 2 more. So it's not mint like we were thinking. Raylan, what one is it?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. So strawberry's at 5. Not mint, you need 2 more. All right, so on number 2, you're gonna write strawberry.
It's a long word.
Okay, number 3. Read that nice aloud for us, Brooklyn. Read number 3.
What 2 flavors did the total of 11 students vote for?
So how are you gonna figure that out, Brooklyn? What 2 flavors did a total of 11 students vote for?
If 11. They voted for mint and chocolate, that equals 11.
Okay.
No.
So mint is, Brooklyn, mint is 6 and chocolate is 7. 7 plus 6. Is that 11, guys?
No.
No, so that's not quite right, Brooklyn. Good thinking, but that's not quite right. That's too many. We'll see if she can figure it out. If not, maybe Lewis can help her. So we want to add 2 together to get 11. Who's thinking?
7 plus 4.
Okay, 7 plus 4 would give us 11. What are the 2 flavors, Brooklyn?
There's none.
There isn't. So you're right. 7 plus 4 gives us 11, but chocolate is 7, but there isn't a 4. Lewis, did you have an idea? Maybe you can help Brooklyn out. A vanilla is 3.
Wait, no.
No.
It's
If you minus. Ooh, I know it now.
Chocolate would be 7. So but we just figured out 7 plus 4 is 11, and there's not a 4, so I can't use chocolate. Corla.
Strawberry and mint.
Strawberry and mint. You were right. Strawberry has 5, and how much does mint have?
6.
6. What is 5 plus 6?
11.
if you can write the two words strawberry and mint.
Mrs. Murphy, can everyone that goes to
Okay,
the pick a
fish
prize?
shapers first. First group. When you come back, you are gonna finish the independent practice on your own, and then you're gonna do freckle. Okay? Don't worry about the back. So right now, Miss Shapers first group, cross off the back. And then you're gonna do the independent practice and then freckle. Okay, Ingrid, did you already get a prize?
Yeah.
Okay, so you may go Lena.
So we
Libby,
have
Libby, did you get a prize? Okay, go pick a prize quickly. Brooklyn, did you get a prize? Go quickly. Aria, did you already get a prize?
Yeah.
Okay. And who else is in your group that I'm missing? Riley, did you get a prize?
we have to X
Go quickly.
problem solver.
Okay, the rest of you, you'll get a prize in a minute. Let's flip to the very, very, very back. Okay? Okay, we're only gonna do the top. So you can cross off the bottom. Quickly, girls, quickly, quickly, quickly. Quickly, Brooklyn. Okay, on the back, we are gonna do the problem solving by using the bar graph to answer the questions. So look at our bar graph. What is the title of our bar graph, Mason? Favorite activity. So favorite activity. So we have some choices here. We have video games, playing outside, reading, and board games. Now look at our interval. Is our interval going by ones, fives, tens, or hundreds? Lily. Ones. Good job. It's going by ones. It's just going 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Now, look at this graph and answer the question. How many more people like reading or board games than playing video games? So this is going to take us 2 steps, just like in the video today. So we need to figure out how many people like reading and board games. So Lila, what do you think?
Reading and board games. Wait, are we trying to add them up?
Yeah, you're right. So reading and board games.
6.
6, good job. So Lila says there's 4 reading and 2 board games. So she said 4 plus 2 is 6. So there's 6 of them total. Now my question is, them playing video games. So how many is video games?
3.
John?
3.
3. Video games is 3. Now, I want to find the difference. How many more? So, I can't take 3 minus 6, but I can do 6 minus 3. What do you get, Mason?
3.
3. Good job. Because there's 3 more people that like reading and board games than video games. So, your answer should be just 3. 3 more people.
I put 0 first.
That
I
doesn't quite
put
make sense.
1 first.
I bet everyone in our class would choose.
Okay. Now, what you're going to do is you are going to go and finish the independent practice on your own. Can I just tell you the directions really quickly just so that you don't get stuck? So you are going to, at the top, you are going to use the bar graph to answer the questions. And you're going to read these questions on your own because your guys are almost 3rd graders. So number 4, I'll give you example. Number 4 says, what color do 5 students have? So I'm gonna look over here and see which one says 5. Okay? Answer 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And on number 8, let's talk about this one. How would this graph change if 20 students took the survey? How would this graph change? What do you think, Kaden?
I think we could go by 10.
We could maybe go by 10s, definitely, because we'd have, or maybe even by 5s. Okay, Kinsley?
Oh.
It would have to be longer.
Yeah, that exactly. The bars would have to be longer, or they would have to grow. So let's write. I will help you on this slide, and I'm gonna make it small, but you guys definitely you'll be able to read it.
Actually, oh yeah,
The bars would be
because there's
longer,
already people on it.
right?
If it was
So
clear.
on number 8, let's write longer bars.
Where are they slamming my
Okay, then on 9 and 10 and 11, let me just double check this. You guys need to use the bar graph below here on the pets, okay? All right, if you get stuck on a word or need something to be reading, read to you, I'll help you. But I want you to try to do the math on your own, okay? When you get done, I want you to go to Freckle and make sure you start at the bottom on your teacher assignments because a lot of you have a lot of teacher assignments. Start at the bottom and work your way up, okay? All right, go ahead and go